In this video, I will be showing you how to create a professional place card in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by heading to the search bar and typing in place card to browse the available templates. There are plenty of great options here, but I'm looking for something clean and modern. I'll select this black and white minimal wedding template and click Customize this template to open it in the editor. To change the look, I'll click on the background and switch the color from black to white. Now I want to add some floral detail, so I'll go to the Elements tab and search for spring. I'll find a graphic I like, such as these cherry blossoms, and click to add them to the page. I'll rotate and resize the flowers to fit the corner, then use the flip tool to adjust their orientation so they frame the design perfectly. Next, I'll click on the text and update the name to Justine Davis. To give it a more elegant feel, I'll open the font menu and select a stylish script font. I'll finish up by adjusting the font size and repositioning the text and graphics until the layout looks perfectly balanced. Now you have a beautiful custom place card ready for your special event.